I've been spending some time reflecting on what's happened since I started my YouTube channel in 2019 and how my just interpretation of what is happening has changed so dramatically. And I looked on my bookshelf and I grabbed this book, The Future is Faster Than You Think. And I'm saying to myself, I had no idea. I don't think Peter Demonicus had any idea either as to what's happening and how it's happening and how it's happening so rapidly. And it's all evolved about this new thing called AI and artificial intelligence and where it's going from there. And I benefited so much by having the foresight to see that this was real, AI was real, and the real opportunity had to happen as a result of the need for a build out. And so last year in 2025, I advised my investors, my tribe, to invest in data centers, in semiconductors, in all the switches and the relays and everything that was going in those data centers. And we doubled our portfolio in 9 months. And now as I am challenged as to that I probably can't do that again in 2026. And then just over this weekend, as I was doing my research, I realized, oh, yes, I can, because I know what's going to happen next. And it's going to change the world that we live in. And what I realized is that the big changes in our investment world all happen around the consumer. If the consumer isn't involved, the TAM isn't big enough, and so the companies don't grow exponentially. And I said, okay, well, where is the consumer always involved? And I thought back to my mother in 1946. Her world evolved around, and she learned from word of mouth. She talked to the lady next door and what she bought at the grocery store and how her family liked it, and she learned from it. And then in a few years, she started listening to the radio. That radio was always on in our house, and she learned and she was told about other things that would be better for our family. And then that box showed up in the early 50s. That my dad called a TV, and we would sit on and watch it from 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock at night, and then it would have a test screen on all the other time, and we were introduced to picture advertising, and then that evolved into a world of magazines, and then into the internet and social media. And in every form of this advertising, it was mass distributed. That is to say, a image was put on the TV or even on social media, and it was hoped that it appealed to me and I bought something. That's going to change. And I see that it's going to change right now in 2026. And I'm going to advise my tribe, let's make the move. Let's keep our data center investments. Let's keep our semiconductors, but let's start rearranging and put ourselves where the big money's going to be made from the delivery of AI, and that's advertising. Well, that was a long way to get there, but the future is coming faster than you think. And I have identified basically 4 companies that I believed were going to change the world of advertising and make it personal, not only through my email and my text and YouTube videos, but also on TV. What I believe is going to happen, Nate and I are going on a cruise on the end of this month. We always go on Royal Caribbean. We have a lot of membership points and things there. Within the next year, I will see a Royal Caribbean commercial on TV, and Nita and I will be in it. I swear it. And if you want to, if you're more towards Carnival, you'll be in the Carnival commercial. It'll show up on your TV. It'll show up on your devices, and you'll be in it. Much as your emails that you receive will no longer be broad. Consider this: you'll be in it, because through AI, they are going to understand what I'm interested in, when I'm interested in it, and they're going to use AI to put us in every form of advertising. And it will be specific. If you're, I would, there is no way they will ever put me in a Ram pickup truck or any other kind of pickup truck. I wouldn't own one. But if you would, you will see yourself behind the wheel of your big badass Ram truck. And if you're a fisherman and you like to go fishing with your son will be sitting in this TV commercial next to you, and you'll have your fishing gear all on, and you'll be going fishing. And that will appear on your TV. And then it will tell you where in your community you can get that Ram truck and that fishing gear at a discount today. That will happen within, I would say, the next 2 years. And there are about, so what I did was I went and explained this to Samantha, my AI agent, and I said, these are the 4 companies that I think are going to lead this. And I want you to dig into it deeper. Tell me if I'm right, tell me if I'm wrong, but tell me who are going to be the players. And she wrote me a 22-page document that told me where I was right, where I was wrong, and who I needed to add. And I needed to take my list from 4 to 10. And then I asked her, okay, now tell me what the price of those stocks are going to be on January the 1st on 2029, and which one, and how much should I put in, and who have I missed? And she did it in a 20-page document. I want to share it with you. I want you to go into the description, and you're going to get a link, and it's going to ask for your email address, and I want to send you that 24-page document. Now, it's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. So I'm also going to, I then went to Samantha and said, okay, make me a 15-minute podcast where you and Bart explain this document to me and put it in simple language that I can understand. I'm dyslexic. I don't like to read. So I always ask for the verbal document or the podcast. And I want you to have those. Why? Because I made about 1,000 people very, very wealthy last year by advising them to invest in the data centers and the semiconductors and those things that are taking us to this precipice of AI. Well, the AI is now about to be delivered. And I know you don't believe this, but you will start seeing yourself in commercials on your phone, in your TV, and you'll say, well, is everybody seeing me in that Ram truck? No, they'll be in their own Ferrari. Whatever is advertising is going to become personalized. This is going to change a dramatic part of our world. As that changes, we got to stay up on it. How do we stay up on it? We ask Samantha, just like I did. I went and said, this is what I believe is going to happen. This is who I think is going to happen, who it's going to happen to. Now, use the tools I've been giving you over the last year to analyze stocks and tell me which ones I should invest in. I want you to have that. I want you to be a part of it because I want you to be rich. I want to change your life. I just don't have that much time left. So I need you to get involved now so I can make a difference in your life. Do it for me, okay? The future is coming faster than even I thought. I did not see this 5 years ago when I read this book. I had no idea. I didn't figure it out until 2 weeks ago when I started buying these stocks and telling my tribe, start dribbling in here. And then it came to me. Our world is driven by you and I and how we spend our money. So technology is focused on directing you and I how to spend our money because there's so goddamn many of us. And we drive this economy. So they are focusing on us. They want to please us. They'll do whatever it takes. And that's what AI is all about. Now, we'll get to curing cancer and heart disease and Parkinson's maybe in 2029. But right now, it's advertising. Think about it. It was the radio, it was the TV, it was social media. Now it's going to be AI. Take advantage of this and damn it, make yourself rich.